Welcome back to CarCrafted, the channel where we break down the machines shaping the future of driving. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most refined, intelligent, and quietly powerful luxury SUVs on the road, the 2026 Volvo XC90. This is not just a refresh of a familiar name. This is Volvo doubling down on safety, Scandinavian luxury, electrification, and technology in a way that feels both confident and future-ready. At first glance, the 2026 XC90 looks instantly recognizable, but the details reveal just how much thought Volvo has put into evolving this flagship SUV. The design remains clean, elegant, and understated, avoiding unnecessary aggression in favor of timeless sophistication. The front fascia features a more sculpted grille, flanked by Volvo's signature Thor's Hammer LED headlights, now slimmer, sharper, and more adaptive than ever. These headlights don't just look futuristic, they actively adjust to road conditions, traffic, and weather, delivering maximum visibility without blinding other drivers. Moving along the sides, the XC90 maintains its strong, upright stance, emphasizing confidence and stability. Subtle character lines flow smoothly from front to rear, giving the SUV a sense of motion even when it's standing still. The wheel designs have been updated for 2026, with new aerodynamic patterns that improve efficiency while still looking premium. Chrome accents are used sparingly, replaced in many trims with satin or gloss black finishes that give the XC90 a modern, upscale edge. At the rear, the iconic vertical LED taillights have been refined with a more seamless integration into the tailgate. The rear bumper is cleaner, the exhaust outlets are discreetly hidden, and the overall look is minimal yet purposeful. Volvo's design philosophy has always been about restraint, and the 2026 XC90 proves once again that you don't need flashy elements to make a lasting impression. Step inside, and the cabin instantly reminds you why Volvo is considered one of the leaders in interior design. The moment you close the door, you're greeted with a sense of calm. The materials feel authentic and thoughtfully chosen, from open-pore wood trims to recycled and sustainable textiles that don't compromise on luxury. Leather options are softer, more breathable, and ethically sourced, reinforcing Volvo's commitment to sustainability. The dashboard layout is clean and horizontal, emphasizing space and openness. At the center is a large vertical touchscreen powered by Volvo's latest Google-based infotainment system. It's faster, smarter, and more intuitive than ever. Google Maps is built in, offering real-time traffic updates and seamless navigation. Google Assistant allows you to control climate settings, music, navigation, and even smart home devices using natural voice commands. Over-the-air updates ensure the system stays current, improving functionality long after you drive the vehicle off the lot. The digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel is crisp and configurable, displaying everything from navigation directions to driver assistance information with stunning clarity. Volvo has refined the user interface to minimize distractions, ensuring that critical information is always easy to read at a glance. Comfort is where the XC90 truly shines. The seats are designed with long-distance travel in mind, offering exceptional support without feeling stiff. Available massage, heating, and ventilation functions elevate the experience even further. The second row is spacious and versatile, with options for captain's chairs or a bench seat, while the third row remains one of the most usable in the segment, comfortably accommodating adults rather than just children. Cargo space is generous, and the power tailgate, wide opening, and flat load floor make loading and unloading effortless. Whether you're hauling groceries, luggage, or outdoor gear, the XC90 adapts easily to your lifestyle. Under the hood, the 2026 Volvo XC90 embraces electrification more than ever. Volvo continues to phase out traditional combustion-only engines, focusing instead on mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains. The mild hybrid variants use a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with a 48-volt system, delivering smooth acceleration, improved fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions. The plug-in hybrid version, often referred to as the XC90 Recharge, takes things to another level. It combines electric motors with a gasoline engine to produce strong, confident performance while offering a meaningful all-electric driving range. For daily commuting, many drivers can rely almost entirely on electric power, enjoying silent, emission-free driving. When longer trips demand it, the gasoline engine seamlessly takes over, eliminating range anxiety altogether. Acceleration is smooth and linear, prioritizing comfort rather than aggressive sportiness. That said, the XC90 is far from slow. The instant torque from the electric motors provides confident passing power, and the all-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction in all weather conditions. On the road, the XC90 delivers a refined and composed driving experience. The suspension has been carefully tuned to absorb bumps and imperfections, making even rough roads feel controlled and comfortable. Optional air suspension further enhances ride quality, automatically adjusting ride height and firmness based on driving conditions. Steering is light yet precise, making the XC90 easy to maneuver despite its size. Noise insulation has been improved for 2026, resulting in a quieter cabin even at highway speeds. Wind noise, road noise, and engine sound are all kept to a minimum, allowing passengers to enjoy conversations, music, or simply the peaceful atmosphere Volvo is known for. Speaking of music, the available premium sound system delivers exceptional audio quality. Tuned specifically for the XC90's cabin, it offers deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs, transforming the interior into a rolling concert hall. Now, let's talk about safety, because no discussion about Volvo would be complete without it. The 2026 XC90 is packed with advanced safety technologies designed not just to protect occupants, but to actively prevent accidents. Volvo's suite of driver assistance features includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping aid, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and collision avoidance systems that can detect vehicles, pedestrians, cyclists, and even large animals. One of the standout features is Volvo's enhanced pilot assist system. It provides semi-autonomous driving support on highways, helping with steering, acceleration, and braking while keeping the vehicle centered in its lane. It's not a replacement for driver attention, but it significantly reduces fatigue on long journeys. Volvo has also improved its driver monitoring system, which can detect signs of drowsiness or distraction and provide alerts when necessary. In extreme cases, the vehicle can even bring itself to a safe stop if the driver becomes unresponsive. These features reflect Volvo's long-standing mission to eliminate fatalities and serious injuries in its vehicles. The structure of the XC90 has been reinforced using high-strength steel and advanced crumple zones, offering exceptional crash protection. Multiple airbags, including side curtain airbags for all 3 rows, ensure comprehensive occupant safety. Sustainability plays a major role in the 2026 XC90's identity. Volvo continues to reduce its environmental footprint by using recycled materials, improving manufacturing efficiency, and expanding electrification. Many interior components are made from recycled plastics and renewable materials, proving that luxury and responsibility can coexist. In daily use, the XC90 feels intuitive and stress-free. The visibility is excellent, the controls are logically placed, and the technology enhances the driving experience rather than overwhelming it. Whether you're navigating city streets, cruising on the highway, or tackling snowy roads, the XC90 feels confident and reassuring. For families, professionals, and anyone seeking a premium SUV that prioritizes comfort, safety, and modern technology, the 2026 Volvo XC90 stands out as a compelling choice. It doesn't shout for attention, but it earns respect through thoughtful design, intelligent engineering, and a clear vision of what the future of mobility should look like. At CarCrafted, we appreciate vehicles that balance innovation with real-world usability, and the 2026 XC90 does exactly that. It's a luxury SUV that feels honest, purposeful, and deeply human in its approach. Volvo hasn't just updated the XC90, they've refined it into one of the most complete and well-rounded SUVs available today. If you're looking for a vehicle that delivers peace of mind without sacrificing style or performance, the 2026 Volvo XC90 deserves a place at the top of your list. And as always, stay tuned to CarCrafted for more in-depth reviews, future car insights, and everything you need to know about the machines driving tomorrow.